talking about my role model. What is a role model? I think a role model is someone who people want to copy. Also, my role model is Uji. Uji is a member group, the 17. He's writing the song for the group. He's from Korea, so he writes Korea song. My favorite song is Gods of Music because its lyrics are good and it is funny song. He worked for the agent playlist. He is 27 years old. I pick Uji. My role model is my first reason is sing and his songs his lyrics are full of energy and they are very pretty. His music is also very upbeat. My second reason is he has good style. I like his style. His style is very simple. In conclusion, my role model is Uji. First, nice lyrics are full of energy and they are very pretty. His music is also very good, very upbeat. Second, he has good style. I like his style. I want to be like Uji one day because I want to write and sing songs. Thank you for listening.